Hi everybody, here is the second video for demonstrating the semester project, which is the RGB lamp box that can change the color and play the music tones. So right now is the overview on the side of the box, which containing the vector cut of the tree shape, and on the top of the box there is like a razor cut of my name and signature, and then the roof or the header there is like a hole for attaching to the ceiling, but right now for easy to demonstrating I put it on the table. And inside the box there is like a physical circuits that I set up all of the elements input and output. So easy for me to easy to demonstrating, I will keep my camera on the side and then click on the bottom, which is containing the 4 switch: normal mode, auto mode, RGB mode, and music mode. So when I click on the first mode, the light will be on. You will see the light. So this is just a normal mode that play as like a usual live in real life lamp that user can click on and turn it the LED on. Second mode is the auto mode, which is changing by the brightness of the environment. So right now I just turn on the light, so it is on, but it's not really bright. But when I turn off or close the blind, you will see the light is lighter. So you see the light. So but when I turn on the light, you will see the lamp will be off or getting darker and darker. You can see that. So it's getting darker and darker. But when I turn off the light, the LED will be on. Okay, so for the third mode is the RGB mode that will change the color of the LED. Whenever I change, keep clicking the button. And for the fourth mode, I will keep the RGB mode on and then play the music for the fourth mode, which is a music mode. Okay, so thank you for your time.